If you're ready to officially become a seller in the Amazon store, you'll need to list your first product. There are a few ways to do this depending on your needs. We encourage you to review our guidelines and best practices as well as your options for listing, as you will likely list products in different ways throughout your journey. First, let's review the two basic types of product listings: existing and new. Existing products are items that are already in the Amazon catalog. When customers shop in the Amazon store, they are able to see all seller offers on a single product detail page. This helps customers find the products they want and compare offers, and saves you from having to recreate product detail pages. When you list an existing product, you'll be adding your offer to an existing page. We refer to this as matching a listing. New product listings are items that are not in the Amazon catalog yet. When listing a new product, you'll need to fill out all the product information in addition to your offer. We refer to this as creating a listing. When listing new products, your options depend on the brand that your product is associated with. If a product is part of a brand enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, only 3 types of sellers can create its product detail page: the original rights owner who enrolled the brand, other sellers verified as internal to the brand, and resellers authorized by the brand. These are also the only sellers who can match offers on these pages. If a product is part of a brand not enrolled in brand registry, the product owner can create a product detail page for it after they secure approval for their unregistered brand name. Other sellers are able to match offers to these pages. Finally, if a product is generic, meaning it doesn't have a permanent brand name or logo affixed, its product detail page can be created by the product owner using generic as a brand name during the listing process. After the page is created, other sellers can match offers. In some cases, you may be required to complete a selling application for a product or category before you can create a new or existing listing. If necessary, you'll be prompted to complete that application during the listing process. Whether you're matching or creating product listings, there are 2 ways to list your products: one at a time or in bulk. All sellers can list items one at a time. That means you'll use a single product ID to match or create a listing. All sellers can also match or create product variations one at a time. If you have a professional selling plan, you can also match or create listings in bulk using a spreadsheet. Step-by-step instructions for listing new or existing products, one by one or in bulk, can be found in our guide, How to List Your Products on Seller Central.